Hi, how are you?
I'm doing all right. I'm Officer Fernald, City 20 Police. Reason
sir.
I'm stopping you, you can't be lane splitting.
Yes, sir.
All right. Do you have a driver's license or any type of identification on you?
I have ID, but you don't have to have a driver's license for this.
I got you. How many cc's is it?
50.
50?
Yeah.
Is there any way to put it in park?
Huh? No, I'm just trying to go to work. That's all I'm doing.
I got you.
Just trying to head to work.
I got you, man. Well, just
I don't spit lane no more. I apologize.
I got you. I still need to hold on to this for a second. You still live in Lawrenceville?
Yes, sir. Just where it's came from.
All right. And where's your work at?
Koch. I don't know how you say Koch. It's up in Cummings, Georgia.
Cumming?
Yeah, which is a good bit. Seeing that I'm on a little scooter here.
I got you. All right, man. Well, just give me a couple minutes. I'll get you out of here as fast as I can. Okay. $401-203, clear for 21, sir.
Clear 541. Go ahead. Clear 541. Just give me a 21.
Demo.
Yeah, he's in with the chief. I didn't know if he heard your radio traffic. Everything good?
Oh, yeah. So, I'm 90% sure I know this, but if you're driving a moped, you still need a Class C license to be driving around the roadway, correct?
Correct.
Yeah. So, this guy said he ain't got a license, so about to have a no license.
Oh, did you pull somebody over?
Yeah, I did 1037 on a moped. He was lane splitting.
That's reckless too.
ID only.
I'll double check, but yeah, no, yeah, hang on.
Yeah, his license is revoked.
A lot of people think because if their license is revoked, they can ride a moped. No, a moped just means you don't need a Class M.
Yeah, because he said it's 50 cc's.
50 cc's, 49 cc's, hang on, go to the code.
Go ahead. John, I'm sure that was code 22.
Because it's actually charge from the moped. No person under 15 years of age shall operate a moped or electrical. No person shall operate a moped upon the public roads or highways of the state unless he or she has in his or her possession a valid driver's license, a structural permit or limited permit issued to him or her pursuant to Chapter 5 of this title. So 40-6-351.
46-351.
See what that one is. Should be his no or. Go.
Yeah, then mopeds don't have to be registered, correct?
No.
Okay.
They don't need a license plate, no. It's under 50 cc's.
Yeah, that's what I figured. So I mean,
which charge is that one that I just gave you, the 40-6? What does that say in our system?
Hold on. I'm trying to pull it up. Uh, 40-6-351. Moped operators must be licensed.
Yeah, there you go. So say, yeah, we have her on charge for that, so write him that one.
Okay, write him that one, and then the lane splitting is reckless?
Somebody said we had lane splitting. See if you go, hang on, let me Google that one too. Somebody said we had something in the system. I've never been able to find it. I always wrote reckless. Hang on.
46-312 is what's popping up. I'm pulling it up.
Georgia code, lane splitting. 40-6-312, you said?
Yep. All motorcycles.
Yep, that's it.
Yeah, it's subsection C, between lanes of traffic or between adjacent lines or rows of vehicles.
Yeah, just make sure, I guess, notate there that, and then, but I don't believe you need a report with the moped one, but Captain Thompson's right here, so I can verify with him real quick.
Yeah, if you don't mind
Whoever's
asking.
behind me will get out of my way. Who the fuck's behind me? Is that you behind me, Hoss? Hoss decided to block the fuck in. Hang on. Hey, Cap. Real quick question. Why are you defending me? Dude, stop, man. Come on, it's your face. I do what you like. Just softly. He can say work if he likes it. What's going on right there? Hey, legit work questions. Hang on. I couldn't, man. Couldn't do it. No, it's, I got to walk up to the wall. Yeah, work question. 5:45 with it. Good. Yeah. So, Ronaldo got the moped. That's all we already had. We had a
call 85 north to 115, so semi versus black Honda Ford.
I don't. That's what I'm trying to remember because I called him before because I've only written it once.
Not one last time.
So I didn't say garage.
85 northbound is 115.
Yeah. So yeah, but you're gonna have to. Okay, so yeah, you don't need to do a report for that because I don't believe it's fingerprintable. But write on both of those. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, write on both of those, and then you're gonna have to impound the moped though.
Well, I mean, then I'll have to do a report for the impound.
True. I mean, we're just gonna leave it there and leave it with them. It's up to you. I mean, you make the call what you want to do.
Yeah, I mean, I'll ask him if he wants to leave it here or whatever, but.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, the only way, I mean, you'd have to do a report if you impounded it, but it would just be an impound report, not a.
Yeah.
When you put the other charges in there, but it would be for the impound. But yeah, so yeah, up to you.
And then I can't even put a vehicle in there because the fucking moped's not registered.
There should still be a number on there somewhere, I believe.
Like a VIN?
I think there's a VIN on them. Is there a VIN on mopeds? There is. Yeah, it should be in the same place as a motorcycle up top towards the neck of the handlebars.
What kind of moped is it?
It's the moped kind.
Is it a Honda or a Suzuki or what?
I don't know.
Oh my god, great cop you are. Look under the handlebars, usually it's under these or like underneath the seat.
Yeah, it should be by the neck of the handlebar.
Gotcha. I'll look there.
Alright. If not, at least under the seat, or I'm not sure if mopeds put them on the frame or not, but it should be one on the frame as well.
Alrighty, appreciate it.
Alright, bye.
Bye.
Good, sir. Thank you, 19.
Alright, man, so here's the deal. You still need a valid Class C license in order to drive a moped or be in operation of a moped on the highways of this state. Okay?
Okay.
So, you have two options. First option, I impound the moped and all that. Second option, you leave it here until somebody with a valid license can come drive it away.
They'll come and get me.
Okay.
Can I get my ID back?
Well, I need to get the VIN number off of your moped.
You just come get me before I get arrested. I'm over here by the case coast. You're incorrect about what your information is, but I'm gonna leave you alone.
No, I can literally show you the state
I've
code.
already done this before.
Okay.
I've already been through this before.
Your license is revoked and you have 3 suspensions on it. Your license is not valid to drive, period. One ready. Can I get a code 7? I'm code 4 at this time.
I know this, but he said I do. I know this. Huh? Yes, hell yeah. He's not going to let me go nowhere. I'm in trouble for real now. I can't even go to work. He's just trying to keep a working man down. They won't keep a criminal down, that's for sure. Especially with this traffic, yeah. Fuck. Really badass cop.
10-4. Just needed code 7. He's getting irate.
And then because you've already read your research too.
There's a GC. All right, sir. So, if you need anything out of the moped, I would suggest getting it because the moped is going to be getting impounded, okay?
Why?
Because it's getting impounded.
Why?
Because you're not licensed to drive that vehicle.
I know I got somebody coming to get me.
I got you, but the moped's going to be getting impounded.
Why?
Because you're not supposed to be driving that without the proper
Why are you
license.
doing that though? You gave me 2 choices a while ago. Now you come back and just tell me that I got to get it impounded?
Correct. I'm going to be impounding the moped.
Why?
Because I'm impounding the moped.
Why?
Because that's my legal right to do so.
For real?
Yes. So, real quick so I can get you out of here. You're going to be getting 2 citations today. One for lane splitting, and then the other one is going to be...
You're trying to prove your point, ain't you?
No, sir. I'm just doing my job.
You're doing a power job. That's what you're doing.
Okay.
You're doing power struggle. Give me my...
Just need you to sign next to that X,
bike.
and next to that X right there. You signing is not an admission of guilt, just saying you understand you have to either go to court
my bike.
or pay the fine before the court date.
I don't have a fucking clue. He's wanted to be a bit,
Eric to speak to his supervisor.
Yeah, I thought you were supervisor.
Oh, he's already on the way.
Oh, good. We ain't doing nothing until he gets here.
Well, I need you to sign that either way.
No, you won't.
Okay, well then, you'll be going to jail then.
I'm not going to jail.
Yes, because you signing is a promise to the court.
I have done nothing wrong.
You signing is not saying that you're admitting guilt or anything like that.
I'm not going to sign either way until you're a lieutenant or I want to talk to him first.
Okay, that's my corporal, but he's going to tell you the exact same thing. You need to sign both the citations or you're going to go to jail.
That's fine.
Okay.
I'm not signing nothing until I talk to him.
Okay, I got you. Well, just so you know, if you don't sign, you're going to go to jail.
I understand that. How you doing today, sir? Why is he trying to impound my bike?
Because I told him to.
Why?
Respect that. Okay. Because you don't have a license to drive.
Okay.
We can't leave it here.
I got somebody coming to get me and my bike.
How long?
She's on her way now.
How long?
Susie, how long you gonna be before you be here?
I'm right up at Lawrenceville 20 and Highway 120 coming that way. It shouldn't take me long, but I can't help when it's kind of traffic.
Oh, okay. So,
He gave me 2 choices, then you were telling me 1.
what 2 choices did he give you?
He gave me impact or get somebody come and get me. I got on the phone, get somebody come and get me.
Okay.
He's the one. Now I'll sign your little papers.
Okay. He's
You're not
signing that
impacting
X,
my bike.
and then that X right there.
That's fine. I'm not retarded.
You signing is
I'm
not an admission of
retarded.
guilt. It's
I'm
just
not
saying that you
retarded.
understand you have to either go to
I
court
am not
or pay the fine
retarded.
before the court date, whichever you decide to do, sir.
I don't have to hear all that either.
Okay.
And in the state of Georgia, it's not against the law, it's not as a driver's license.
I know that, Susie. I'll fight this, and when I get into court,
Do you want us
they're
to print out
being.
the code section for you?
Excuse me.
I can print the code section for you if you want me to.
Who?
The code section, I'm going to print it for you.
Oh
The
no,
Georgia
I already
law.
been through this, sir. I know
Okay.
what y'all doing. Y'all fine. Go ahead and go about your business.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Do you want me to explain your copies of the citation?
I don't want to hear neither one of y'all. I already been in court with this before.
Okay, well,
I know what
are
I'm
your
talking
copies?
about. And y'all can go about your business.
Okay, well, you're free to go. The moped, like I said, is going to be getting impounded,
No,
okay?
it's not.
It's my legal right to impound the vehicle.
He's impounding. It's getting impounded.
Why are you impounding it? You gave me 2 choices.
I did not give you 2. I just showed up.
I know, but he gave me 2 choices to begin with.
Okay, I wasn't here. If he's already called for the...
you're going to let him
Stop.
be a dick to me then?
No, sir. He has the legal authority to impound your vehicle.
For what reason, though?
We've already explained it to you.
I've got somebody coming to get me.
Oh, they can come and get... I mean, that's fine.
I got somebody coming to get my bike.
Okay.
I'm not going to be driving it.
That's has nothing to do with this. If he says he's impounding, he has the right to impound.
Would you please not impound my bike,
So,
please?
The record's already on the way, sir.
Calm it down. It's
Sir,
up to
please
him.
don't do this.
I understand what you're saying, sir, but...
I got to have my bike. I'm not going to be driving it no more. I understand what you're saying, but please don't impound my bike.
No, I understand what you're saying, sir. That's why I'm giving you the opportunity to get anything you need out of the bike.
You gave me 2 choices a while ago.
Yes, I did
That's
initially.
why I got on my phone.
I initially did give you 2 choices.
You will be paying for this.
Okay.
You will be paying.
Okay.
I guarantee you that.
Yes, sir.
I guarantee you that. You will be paying for this.
Hey.
I want your badge number and your name.
It's on the citations.
I'm gonna need the one key for the moped so the record driver can load it up.
Excuse me?
I need the key for the moped so that the record driver can load it up.
You got to do with it.
Don't worry.
Okay.
You don't need a goddamn thing out of it.
Yes, sir.
You're being a total fucking dick. Fucking monster is what you're being. You will not get my goddamn keys, that's for sure.
Okay, you can have the key, sir. That's fine.
You won't get me getting shit.
I literally...
Neither one of you.
I didn't ask for your keys. I said you can take your keys, sir.
No, that bastard over there did.
Yes, because usually the record service likes to have one
Fuck
key.
him.
Sounds good to me.
2.
I'll put these up and then take pictures.
Bye, bastard. No, you haven't. Because you told him to impound my bike. You're the one that said you said that.
We're
I
code
will
4.
report you too.
That's absolutely fine.
Corporal Chris 305 badge number. They're both being really badass dicks.
It's all being recorded.
I got right of speech, bitch.
Oh, it's all being recorded.
I don't care. This is unreasonable for real.
If you want to get your box in your last time.
Y'all just want to free me. That's what y'all want.
Right here.
You see they're stealing my bike from me, right? They're stealing my bike. Seriously. They did. He's here. He's here. Yeah. Apparently not. Now I'm gonna wait till that. That don't mean nothing. They're gonna take my bike this way. Huh? I did. I know that. They won't fuck with a criminal though. That's when they counted for you. You're bastards. I know I do. gonna do what the fuck they want to do. He told me, oh sir, you got two choices. Get somebody come and get your license or I'm gonna pound it. Oh no, fuck it, I'm just going to impound it. Fuck that motherfucker.
Rear brake light, I guess. The rear brake light, I guess, that's the middle one. Alright, I'm gonna print out the impound.
Yeah. I'm saying just don't engage me anymore.
Oh no, I'm not.
Just free to go.
Yep.
Okay.
401 radio, 85's 10-7.
You're a true dick, you know that, right? You know that, right? Hope you go home to your wife and be a real man. True fucking man, ain't you? Fucking with somebody trying to fucking work. Yeah, you fucking lied, too, man.
What's going on, man? I'm doing alright. It's just a moped.
Okay.
Just need your signature right there, and then I'll give you your copy.